Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically keyframe video effects and keyframe filters. So go to effects first, or filters, up to you really, and add in any effect you want. I'm just going to add in this blur. I'm going to then select, there's like a keyframe diamond button here next to the undo button. You're just going to add that. I'm just going to make the blur 50%, and then here I want to fade it out, so I'm just going to put the blur at 0. So as you can see, it starts to like unblur itself because I added a keyframe. And you can also, sorry, I'm just going to adjust it again here. You can also do this with a filter. Go to filters, and for instance I want it from like a black and white to a colorful one, so I'm just going to add this black and white filter. I'm going to put it at 100. Going to add a keyframe at the beginning, and then kind of here I'm going to make it into 0. So this is what it should look like. It doesn't have to look the same, of course. I'm sorry, there was like a bug bothering me, but that's how you can keyframe effects and filters. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!